How to view Instagram stories without anybody knowing. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can view people's Instagram stories without letting them know that you have seen it. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the very first thing you want to understand is that under this video in the description box I have left a certain link. You have to simply go ahead and download that particular version of the Instagram app in order to do this. And after you've downloaded that app, what you can do is you can simply open the app on your phone. Once you open the app, you have to go ahead and first of all log into your account. And after you're logged in, you can basically see this is how it is going to look like. Currently, if you go ahead and simply actually view anybody's story, it is going to show up on their feed that you have viewed their story. And if you don't want that to be viewed, what you could do is from the very bottom right, you could tap on a profile icon. So go ahead and simply tap on a profile picture. As soon as you tap on a profile picture and come to your profile page, on the top right hand side, you can see those three horizontal lines. And all you have to do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines icon which you see. And at the very top, just above the settings button, you'll see another settings. So go ahead and simply tap on this option at the very top. As soon as you tap on that option, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Over here, you want to scroll down to the section which says privacy. So go ahead and tap on privacy. And as soon as you tap on privacy, at the very top, you can see this toggle which says hide view stories. All you have to do is simply turn this toggle on in order to hide that you have viewed somebody's story on Instagram. And this is simply the way on how you can hide your Instagram view without letting anybody know that you have viewed the story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.